found this beauty on eBay and it looked new. The lid looks new. Came with a lid. It's not as collectible as pre-68, even though it's a 79. Look at that shine. One of the things you have to look for, this was not being sold as new. But what you want to look for is the machining. Very good machining. All I did was rub some Barkeeper's Friend on this. I did not polish it, just Barkeeper's Friend. It was already polished. Chances are the pan on eBay will be a darker copper. Look for some off-color lines. Those off-color lines might mean it's been sitting in the cardboard box for 40 years. That's the corrugated cardboard imprinting itself on the bottom. So there are a couple of little scratches, but I'm going to bet this is like as new as you can get without being new. I wish this was a 7-inch. I prefer 7 for 2 eggs. It just contains them a little better. It doesn't spread out like it did in the video. This is the first time I've cooked low and slow in a Revere Ware. One of my most watched videos is low and slow, link above. So I wasn't sure how this would work because it's so thin. It worked pretty well. Start off at medium low, melt the butter. Once the butter is melted, put the eggs in. Once you see it start to bubble, you can even lower the heat. I used the glass lid only because it sat down in the pan, which means the yolks and the whites will cook a little faster than if we'd used the steel lid that was giving it all that space. It's a pretty pan. I wish it was 7 inches. I'm done collecting Revere Ware. Okay, maybe not. If I can find a 7-inch in this condition, I'll buy it. And then we're done. We're done! No more Revere Ware. We are done collecting Revere Ware. Thanks for joining me this Thursday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.